Hi, welcome to Math 87, Lesson 130. In this lesson, we're discussing formulas and substitution. Now, as you remember, we discussed a formula is a literal equation that describes a relationship between two or more variables. Formulas are used in mathematics, science, economics, the construction industry, food preparation, basically wherever measurements are used. Now this formula, to use a formula, we replace the letters in the formula with measures that we know. Then we solve the equation from the measures we wish to find. Now we're going to use the formula D equals RT to find T when D equals 36 and R equals 9. Now this is a formula describing the relationship between distance, rate, and time. So we first replace in the formula D with 36 and R with 9. So we have 36 equals 9T. Now we're going to solve for T. And we're going to do that by dividing both sides by 9. When we do that, we see that we get 4 equals T. And that is, so we've solved for time. Now, there's a different way we can do this. We can take our formula, D equals rate times time, and we can first solve for T. So first we would divide both sides by R, cross cancel out, and we would rewrite the formula as D divided by R equals T. And then we put our values in. We know that D is 36, R is 9, that equals T. So again, we find that T equals 4. 9 divided by, so this is 4. So you can either first use your formula and solve for what you're looking for. The variable we were looking for is T. Or you can just place the values in and solve. We're going to do another one. Here, I'll move those so you don't have distraction. We're going to use the formula F equals 1.8 times C plus 32 to find F when C equals 37. So we've been given the value of C. We replace that in the formula. So we would rewrite our formula F equals 1.8 times 37 plus 32. And then we're going to go ahead and solve. This is a straightforward equation to solve. 1.8 multiplied by 37, we would find that we get 66.6 plus 32. And then we'll just add those together. And we find that F equals 98.6. So basically, using an equation or a formula is just like work we've already been doing. We've already been practicing putting numbers in for variables in equations. We've been practicing order of operations. This is taking stuff that we've already learned and putting it all together. There are some practice problems. I'd like you to go ahead. There's 3 problems that give you different formulas. I'd like you to go ahead and try that, and then I will put the answers to the practice problems in Canvas so you can check your answers. And those are right before your math set.